Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. My name's Karen and today I'm here to show you how to construct our flower power gift box, which is our new Tonic Craft Kit. Okay, so I've already cut most of the components that we're going to need. So I've done 6-sided, I'm going to make the hexagonal box. So I've already cut 6 sides. I've cut my base here and I've cut some of these decorative floral top pieces. I wanted to show you how I've cut these just because it's just ever so clever how they've measured it out for you. So you've got to get these perfectly central. So what it is, when you overlap them, they need to fall just so you can line them up. So I've already cut, those are the ones we're going to use, but I've already cut one because this is the way the die here will cut this out for you. So there's your piece there, there's your die, and you can see in this die you've got this cross in the centre of it. Now this won't cut, but it will emboss into your cardstock. So it allows you then to take one of these dies. I'm using a hexagon, like I said, so I'm going to take the hexagon piece off the die set. And you line up, I don't know if you can pick this up awfully well. I'm going to just tilt it slightly so you can see it there. You can see you've got this cross on there, and you've got the matching cross on the aperture that you're cutting. So you just line them up. Line the crosses together. It'll be perfect for you. I'm just going to pop this over here and cut it. So here we have all of our pieces ready done. I'm going to start with the base. And I'm going to put all of my side panels onto here. I'll just get my glue. Obviously, Nova Deluxe adhesive, only the very best. And I'll put a little line of glue on there. And I'm going to line up over the top. Just give it a couple of seconds. There, and I'm going to carry on going around. Make sure that one stays. A little bit too much glue there, you know. Put a little bit less next time. You really do not need much at all. It is a less is more thing. So there's our next one lined up. Press that down. I am very much a wet glue girl rather than a double-sided tape girl. So it does take a couple of seconds longer, but I think you just get a longer lasting project, because I find with tape that it can come apart, especially if you've got differences in temperature and things. So when you're going from a hot to a cold, and so if you're storing things anywhere, you know, you've got that risk of them popping off and popping apart. So I like to use wet glue for that reason, and the Deluxe is obviously the best that we do. So I'll just keep going around, just popping these on. A little line of glue, nothing much, and that is all you'll need. Because we do have questions from people saying that, you know, the glue is wrinkling the card and things like that, and it's just too much glue. You just do not need hardly any. It's just a little line of it there, and pop that in. And there's the last one stuck in place. So my sides are all stuck. Now I'm going to bring them up. So I turn it over and I'm going to glue each one up. So it's the sides of the box. So again, a thin line of glue and hold it in place. And again, it's going to be me telling you stuff you don't need to know, because I'm going to be gluing each one. Okay, let's get these all put together. It's a lovely little gift box. What you've got here as well is you've got the 3 sizes. So I'm making the largest with the biggest base as well, just for you to see the largest size you've got. And it's such a lovely design. So when like I said, with those pieces for the top, you've also got the other 2 shapes when you come to put those on there as well. So if you're making a 4-sided, you've got a little square with a cross on. And the 5-sided has obviously got a little pentagon with a cross on there. And it just makes it easier to line those up, because we did have a bit of trouble when it was first designed. And it was just so nice to have that option. We go back to the designer, we say, I can't really get that central. And he comes back with, ooh, try this then. So I'm using 300 GSM for this as well. I mean, it is in your craft kit. It's a small box, so you don't necessarily need as thick a card as this. But as it's there, I thought I'd use it. Because with the smaller ones, you can get away with a thinner box. So that is your gluing done. Now on the instructions, you do get an instruction leaflet with this. On the instructions, it tells you to fold these out like this. All the way out, and then to fold them back in, because then they kind of press against themselves, which keeps the top into position. So we've got a box. We're going to glue these 2 together. You line up your hexagons like we did. We cut them out, and then we're going to just pop a little bit of glue around there. Take that out of my light so I can line these up perfectly for you. There we go. And then you can pop that. You hold all your pieces together. And one stuck. And fold it out. And that should then stay in place. So that's your Flower Power gift box. Subscribe to our kit so you never miss a box. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to tag us in your makes. Happy crafting.